Hi, I'm Jasmine with WTI, and I love baby toys. They can be so adorable, like this little rattle and teether from Itzy Ritzy. This is a little sloth. He is so cute, so soft and plush. Has these cute little ribbons on the side, which are fun and colorful. And the rattle, it's a nice soft rattle. It's not like annoying like other rattles, but it still will grab your baby's attention. And the handle is really easy to grasp for small hands. And later on, once they're teething, they can use this part as a teether. It's made out of a really nice soft silicone. So if you're in the market for a toy that's gonna last your little one for a long time, they will get a lot of use out of it, definitely check out Itzy Ritzy. These little teether slash rattles are adorable. There are other little pals to choose from. You're gonna love them, your baby's gonna love them, and that's my point of view.